Another video. Today I will be surviving the Amazon rainforest as long as possible. This might become a series, I don't know that, but hopefully it's not one episode. So let's get started. First I need to find a place to make my base. It's probably good to have it near water like this. And we have mud right here, so that's good. We also gotta watch out for spiders, snakes, pretty much anything like dangerous, of course. But yeah. Right now, I feel like I should make an axe so I can chop down wood. But I also need to find a rock, which is gonna be near. Oh, never mind. Okay. It usually spawns near rivers, but it's okay because we now have one. Now we have a strong axe, and we can make a spear with this long stick. By shaving that. Okay, nice. I kind of want to go up there because I feel like that'll have stuff, but I don't know how to get up there. Like, oh. I'm gonna try making a bow and arrow real quick. Weak spear and rope. There's rope. Okay. If I just tie it like this. Oh, I messed it up. Tie it like this. Cross. There we go. Now I have a bow, but I still need arrows is a thing. Okay, these can get rid of stomach parasites, which I need. And oh, there's a big rock. I can get flint from it. There we go. Flint. And then now we have a sharp stone. And if we get some rope from one of these trees, then I can make, I don't know, it's like a rope and a rock. And you can put it on the spear to make it a stone spear. Like this. Put it on. Okay, there we go. Now we have a stone spear. And I should probably collect some more of this before I put it. So that I can do that. And then, also too, we'll get some dry leaves from this. Dry leaves, straight leaves. Here we go. This is good for the campfire. And I make a bonfire. But like I said, I still need to make a camp. And then we should be good. Alright, so yeah, it's okay, so I can make what else? I need arrows, which come from birds, like that. But I can just find a dead bird and get feathers from that. That's a rattlesnake. I almost just ran right into it. Again. Okay, now we have some meat. I don't know where it is, actually. Hopefully we can find some obsidian in these caves sooner or later. But right now, I don't seem to see a place to make camp near water. Other than that river back there. Hello. Oh, I need to check my statistics. Oh, I'm fine. That's another snake. Now we have more snake meat. There we go. Alright, so ooh, this is kind of a good body of water, actually. Right here. Right here on this flat area, I feel like I could make a good base. So let's get chopping, I guess. I don't know. Oh, okay, wood frame. How do I want to place this? Like right here? Feel like would be good. There we go. Get some wood from these trees. No, my house. Oh, there's nothing there anyway, it's fine. Okay. Put it in the ground. And also too, if you didn't know this, you could just hit it with your backpack. It's kind of useful actually. Save durability on your axes or whatever you have. More dry leaves. Right now, I should actually start making a bonfire. There we go. And then put it right. Oh, it's with my right hand. Put it right there. Oh, let me move this. In the way. Something is in the way. I don't know what. I'll just put it right here for now. And we can get these sticks. 3, 4. Put that in there. And then we get 2 of these normal sticks. Pop them up into the small ones. And we need 1 more. There we go. And this extra one I'll just use for later. For once we find feathers. So I can make a... what's it called? Arrows. I can make arrows. Right now I need to focus on my base. Boom. Boom. Okay, this is where the rope comes in. And wrap it around these. And we can get these extra ones. And then I need more wood. Okay, that's fine. Drop down this tree. Or no, I can just drop down this stump. That's fine. And I can break this. There we go. Now our frame is done. So we can make a palm roof for our thing right here. Oh, there we go. Okay. Now we use these banana leaves and palm leaves. Put it up here. Now we need 1 more. Get from banana leaf. I don't know what that is all about. Well, it's okay. Now this stuff right here. Put that in there. And we get the flint. And I need a stone. But I don't have that. Flint stones. What? So I need to go find one. I should have gotten those ones from earlier. I accidentally left. It's fine. There should be some across this river. Somewhere. If I'm not... Oh, I need to wash my hands anyway. Getting cleaner. There we go. Alright, clean hands. And we have mud right there for... we can make a mud hut. There should be something in here. Oh, nope. Okay. I see meat right there, but I don't know from what. Oh, that's not meat. That's a banana nut. That's good. They give you lots of water. But I'm fine right now. It was around here somewhere that I saw the rocks. I don't really know. I don't know. Around here. There we go. Big rock. And we can break it. Get some stones. There we have flint. Okay. Now we can go back to our base. Watch out for any rattlesnakes or spiders or whatever. Should be right around here. Oh, there was a big rock right here this whole time. I didn't know. But it's okay. Another banana nut. Poison dart frog. Don't touch it. Obviously poisonous, as it says in its name. And I'm out of stamina. Okay, there we go. So now we have stones. So light the fire here. So we hit them together. Sparks up. Boom. Now we can cook the snake meat that we have. Okay. What else can we do while we're waiting? I mean, yeah, let's make a little mud thing so we can get mud bricks for our house. And a water filter, I need that. Which one? Yeah, that's one. I need the mud mixer anyway. Put it right here. There we go. Now we need normal sticks. Boom. Boom. Chop these planks up. Boom. And then this last one. Okay. Now I hit them all in the ground. Now we need logs for it. We can get from these trees, I think. Oh, that's falling on me. Okay. And then we put them on here. And we need 2 more. We can get 1 from this. Now we need 1 more that we can get from this tree. Oh, it put itself in place. Neat. Okay. But now we are out of logs, and we need 2 more that we can most likely get from this one. And it's falling in place. Wow, it just put itself in place. Okay. And now we can get mud from this. It looks a little weird. And we can put it in the mud mixer. Now I need campfire ash, but I need to wait for that right there to finish burning. These are cooked. Which, yep, they're cooked. So right now, I should probably go hunting. Yeah. Hunting. And then we can make a planting box for later. So we get sticks. No, we hit them all. And we only need 4 logs instead of 8. We can get one from this. And what other tree can we chop? This one's gives me long sticks. Over here, yes. We only need 3 more, which there's another one over there that I left. Yep, right there. And then, boom, it's done. Now we just need seeds, which, where's my bananas? I guess I didn't have bananas, but it's fine. We can find some more. Oh, yep, right here. And we can make a banana tree, which will be good. See, mini banana tree. And we need water for it, but I need coconuts for that. But I don't know where to get coconuts. Other from palm trees, like that. But they're not spawning. That was neat. Oh, more meat. That way. Nice. Let's see. I'm not seeing any. Alright. Well, I don't want to lose space, so let's go back. Okay. Now we can just cook this right here. Would that spoil on the ground? I don't think so. I'll see if this works, if I can just do this. I don't think so. I need to wash my hands anyway. Here we go. There we go. Alright. I'm gonna kill this crab. They keep running away so quickly. Oh, I can see one. Where'd it go? That's fine. Alright, let's go to sleep for the night. And I'll meet you guys in the morning. Oh, okay. So I woke up kind of late. So I'm gonna go back to bed. Alright. Now it's morning. I'm somehow dirty. It did not rain, which is the bad part. But it's okay. Did my campfire go out? Hold on. Yeah, my campfire went out. And here is campfire ash that we can put in there. Now we just need it to rain. And we should be good. Now I can make a bonfire in here because there's nothing blocking it, I don't think. Here, let's try. Yep, there we go. But I'm not gonna burn it immediately because I don't need to cook anything. Now, I feel like going hunting for like birds so I can make arrows for my bow. Wait, yeah, I have a bow, yeah, there we go. Okay. That's what I'm gonna do. And then, yeah. Alright, so birds. If I was a bird, where would I be? I don't see any right now. That scared me. Oh, that's me. Armadillo. I feel like I could not die. Meat. Okay. Still not a bird though. Guess I gotta watch out for spiders. Obsidian? Any obsidian? I don't see any obsidian. And I also don't see any birds. Alright. Oh, I guess I'm out of luck. But I'm also really dirty again somehow. Ooh, bandages. I need this. Like right now. Just in case we get bit or something. I don't know. Alright, nice. I'm gonna try going the other way where we found rocks. See if there's any birds over there. And if not, I don't know what to say. Hopefully I didn't lose my base though. Because that'd be bad. Oh, there's birds at least. I just need it to rain. Nice. Okay. Now we can make arrows. Get out of the water. How do I get out? I'm stuck. No. Okay, I got out. It's okay. Oh, come on. Just let me out of here. Please. Oh. Oh, there we go. Got it. Okay. Now let's get one more bird, and then I'll head back home. Perfect target. Yes. But it. Okay, my spear's good. don't want that. And we have macaw meat, which is good. Okay. Now, yeah, we should go to find the base. Oh, that's a leech. These are leeches. I need to watch out for that. Forgot about those. I must have got it from the river. Because, yeah. Oh, I didn't see it. I think my base is down here. Yep, here it is. Okay, nice. So, nothing here. Now I have stuff to make. Okay, I'm gonna eat some of this. Get my protein up. There we go. Okay, nice. And I'm also gonna light this so I can cook my macaw meat right here. Okay. Nice. Now they are cooking. And I also need water, which will give me parasites, but I have these mushrooms. And I kind of need to eat them before they get spoiled. Okay, that's 2. I'm still thirsty. There we go. Which one is mine? This one. Wait, now that I think about it, I have these, which give the raffia nut, which give me water. So I didn't need to do that. You're just kind of dumb on me. Yeah, stomach parasites. Okay. I should make walls on this, or I should make a second frame to expand it. You know? Make it better. Bigger, better. Okay, nice. Now I just... What? Okay, it's a little weird. But, okay. I went across. Oh, no, I didn't. I need 2 more. 1, 2. Okay. Nice. Just put it. Okay, good. Okay, now we need another 2. Here's one of them. And another one. Okay, my axe just broke, but I have extra rocks, so it's fine. Ugh. Okay, now we need 2 rope. I'll get extras. Okay. Oh, there it is. 1, 2, and then these 2. Okay. Okay, now we need 2 more long sticks. And our second frame would be done. Boom. Nice. Now our second frame is done. And, yep. These are gonna get overcooked if I don't do anything. Okay. I just need it to rain. Like, I really need it to rain. So I can expand even more. Can I? Hold on. No, I can't. Okay. I thought you could stack the, like, make it a 2-story house for a second. But I guess you can't. How do you make mud roofs? Or can you not? I don't think you can, actually. I think it's only palm. But who knows? Right now I'll just keep using palm. It's like easy to make palm leaves. Right. Okay. Now we have 2 areas. What I kind of want to do is I want to... There's one right here. Okay. Now we need even more for the doorway. And we also should make walls for our house. Boom. Get it. Come on. Okay. There's one. Boom, boom, boom. Can you please? That's almost the first one done. And it's gonna fall that way, I hope. Yeah. Boom, boom. Get in the ground. Oh my gosh. Problems with building. Okay, there's one of the doorways. And start making a second one. You can use these logs actually. Chop them up for long sticks. Okay, there's 2, and I need 1 more now from that stump. Okay, there's both the doorways, and now we can just make walls. Or with this side, we can make a short wall. And oh shoot, I should have done a normal doorway. Is there a way to remove it? Or should I just put more farming stuff right here? Well, that's me. Guess I messed up. This was supposed to be the main entrance, but I don't know what I did there, what I was thinking. And I'm gonna do that. There we go. I still need lots of long sticks for this. But it's okay. But we have lots of access to wood too, which will make this a lot easier. I said lot so many times during that, but it's fine. Oh, what? My house just fell apart. I mean, that's a good thing. At least we can make that now. I didn't know that you can actually break your house. But I guess you can. I was wrong, very wrong. Where did I get that? Was I bleeding out this whole time? Yeah, I'm only at half my health. I didn't realize. Come on. Okay. Well, there's the doorway, at least. So focused on my house. I just, like, do I have leeches? Gotta watch out for that. Okay, I got no leeches. And then I just need 3 long sticks, and that wall is done. Gosh. I could use this. And there's that short wall done. And there's one of those. Boom, boom. So that wall is done now. And I need 12 long sticks, which is, well, now 11. But, yep. Oh, I didn't notice that the radio goes on the back. But I have my radio right here. It's fine. It's just the details. Okay. Nice. Now we need 10. I'm gonna try and find and carry 2, like this. Alright, I'll bring these logs over for like extra long sticks. I'm surprised it's not night yet. But that means this is a longer video, which is more content, which I need because I'm sorry that I have not posted in like a very long time. I've just been doing stuff like I don't know. I've just been doing stuff. But I haven't posted in a long time, which is not good for my channel's health. So I should be starting to post more now than I was. Well, not as much as like when I first started, but I still will be posting because of that long break that I had. Now that it's summer break, I'll have time to post too, which I need, like I said, for my channel's health. And the stick will not go in the ground. Okay, there we go. But yeah, I just want to say I'm sorry for that. And for my viewers. Oh, okay, now I need 2 more. And then the hut should be like framed up after I get these last 2. Which, boom, boom, boom. Okay, yeah, my house frame is done. It just still hasn't rained somehow, which I need it to rain to finish my house, but it's okay. Boom! The frame is done. This is what it looks like. Yep. I'll give you a tour. Alright, so right here, we got the entrance. We go inside. There's just a campfire. And you walk out to the back. We have a banana tree growing. It needs to rain. And we have a mud mixer. How is that getting water? It's raining! It's raining! Oh my gosh. It's actually raining. Thank you. Oh my gosh. That took so long. Here, can I catch the water? I don't think you can. Oh my gosh, finally. I can make mud bricks. Yes! Yes! Okay, now we just need to make mud. Mud window. I need to do it with a doorway. Okay, that's fine. I still like it. Okay, how much I have to inches? Where did I get that from? Who knows? Probably from the mud. Boom, boom. Okay. We need 1 more. There's the window. And I need to go speed run and get more mud. Here we go. Mud side fireball. Put it over here. Go, go, go. Get the mud. Get the mud. Oh, I just realized I still need campfire ash. Hopefully my fire isn't out. Okay. Wait, can I just... No, I can't. Why isn't it working? Oh, now you want to work? Okay. Boom. Now we need campfire ash, which is kind of annoying, but okay. I really need water. Or I'll go get it from here because my mushroom is about to spoil. And it's free water. Boom. No more stomach parasites. Again. We can eat this one. Oh, it stopped raining already? Dang. Usually there'd be like mud walls. Where's the mud walls? I guess there's just a mud window and a mud furnace area thing. I don't know. Okay, let's go hunting so we can make our campfire a good use before it goes out. I need the carbs. Yeah, I do need the carbs. Snaky snakes, where are you? You're the easiest thing to hunt. Never mind, where are my claws at? They ran away because they're scared of me. There's meat up there. Oh my gosh, I got it. Is that meat spoiled? No, it's not. Okay. Where did the macaws go? Apple is scared of me. I'll go like, uss, uss, and he yam. But I really need them. Is that a boar? Or what is that? Is that a capybara? I thought I just saw a capybara. Oh yeah, I do. I swear I just saw something. Bro, I'm on. I have to be. Because ain't no way. Can I eat that? No. Can I eat the poison dart frog if I kill it? I know you can touch it after you kill it, but I don't think you can eat it after you kill it. There's a snake. Where though? I see it. He can. Okay, nice. Crab. I'm not gonna hurt you. Yes, I am. I didn't kill it. Get your cheeks over here. This. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Where are you? Come here. Us. Got him. Oh, I can just eat him like that. Okay, where did my spear go? I need that. There it is. 84 durability. Okay. 20 durability. Now we can cook them up. I think you can cook the crab like that. Yeah, you can. Okay. You're supposed to dry it, I think, but it's fine. I can make a dryer. Hold on. And we can get the sticks from over here. I saw a long stick. Yep. And we can bring this log over. Boom. There was a stump over here. But I guess the tree regrew. Oh, never mind. It's right here. This is 2. So then we'll need one more log. After. But we need wood first. Boom. And then boom. And yeah, there is the 2 right there. Which is, I don't know. I think I can just find the long sticks. But I don't know. Is there another one? Yep, there is. Okay. And I just need small sticks now. What to make from these? But my axe just broke. So I need to make a new one. My first arrow. Oh yeah, I just realized I need to make my arrows. Man. Okay, now we have 11 arrows for my bow. And I do not want these to burn. Okay. And I do need protein. So I'm gonna eat this rattlesnake meat. Rattlesnake meat. And I need water. So I'm gonna get some water. Okay, 4. Oh, I need to wash my hands. Okay, there we go. 2. 3. 4. Okay, wait. Yeah, there's 4. It said I got half a pair of spider. What? Gosh. Okay. Let's see, can I do this? Or is it already dry? I'm gonna try getting another crab. Because that was kind of easy. Stop jumping, boy. No, I'm just kidding. Bro. I mean, see anything to hunt, really. But I'm gonna make a bed, actually, so I can sleep good. And I'll go to sleep. I know you don't necessarily need a bed to go to sleep in this game, but it's probably better too. I think you don't lose your sanity if you actually go to bed, but it's fine. I don't even have sanity on. Bro. Put that there. Now will this fit? Yep. Alright. I need 2 leaves. And that's it, I think. Put it. Yeah, I only need 2. And I'm gonna go to sleep. And I should have campfire ash. Oh, way too early. Okay, let's go. Campfire ash. Put that there. And then boom. This thing is getting bigger too. Alright guys, so I'm gonna pick up on this tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed this video, but I'll see you on the next part, or on part 2.